This is Bermuda. This is how we treat it.
Why? Trash over trash piling up.
We burn the waste and throw it into our waters.
As we burn, the fossil fuels will soon destroy our wildlife.
So we need to get out into the nature and admire the beauty around us and try to stop all this pollution now.
But what should we do to help?
Few things we can do to help. Solar panels!
Lindo's has solar panels on the roof, making all the electricity in the store eco-friendly.
Solar panels aren't the only thing that you can use to help. There's also something called composting. Composting is a great thing for the environment, and it decreases the amount of trash going into the incinerator.
Also, you can carpool to reduce the amount of carbon dioxide put in the atmosphere by cars.
Did you know that 4.3 pounds of waste is generated each day per person?
Tips to reduce garbage. So, first of all, you can reuse a water bottle. Second of all, get a reusable bag now.
We need to stop littering. It's destroying our wildlife and our beautiful oceans.
Enjoying photography in Bermuda.
Well, since I grew up here and just being here, I think that Bermuda is a really beautiful place, and the nature and the ocean surrounding the island is something that you should explore. Like, try to get out as much as possible because there's beauty in everything. Like, even if it's rainy, you can still get some beautiful shots, and especially when it's sunny, just take a walk on the beach. And in the springtime, you get the longtails that are coming back, and I really enjoy photographing the longtails here.
What made you decide to join the aquarium?
Well, firstly, in high school, I went to Cedar Bridge, and they asked for community service hours, as I'm sure they do here as well.
Yeah.
And so I applied for the aquarium, and I was just helping out in the restaurant. But then I wanted to get more involved with like the animals, because that seems pretty fun. So I applied for a junior volunteer program spot, and I got that. So I've been volunteering there for a few years, and then now I'm working there as a director of the marine department.
How did you get into
Well, my mom had a camera, and I always used to use it, and people started liking my shots. So then I went out and we started like an Instagram page, and I started posting my pictures, and people started liking them even more. So I might get into that as another side job in the near future.
Why do you care about the nature?
Well, the nature is what attracts people also to come to Bermuda, because it's an isolated place in the Atlantic Ocean, and the animals here are different than the others in separate parts of the world. And also in the ocean, there's a lot to explore, and a lot of parrotfish here, since the parrotfish here are protected as compared to in the Caribbean. So that's what keeps our reefs pretty healthy. That's why I enjoy it.
Go for a walk. You can go with your friends. You can go take your dog for a walk down the beach. So now that we've given